In this video, you will learn to make requests and commands using the imperative mood in Russian. To form the imperative, you will use the present future stem, the same stem you use to conjugate a verb. Then you will add one of the three possible endings, depending on the stem. If the stem ends in a vowel, you will use the ending y. Читаю, читай, читайте. Note that we add te for plural and formal forms. If the stem ends in a consonant and the ya ending is stressed, you will use the ending и. Говорю, говори, говорите. Finally, if the stem ends in a consonant and the ending is not stressed, you will add a soft sign. Готовлю, готовь, готовьте. Now, in the last example with the verb готовить, we had a consonant mutation in the ya form. This is very common among second conjugation verbs. In cases like this, you will turn to the ты form to derive your imperative stem. Готовлю, готовишь, готовь, готовьте. However, sometimes you will also have a shifting stress, as in the verb ходить. Я хожу, ты ходишь. In this case, you will use the ты form to derive the stem. However, you will look at the ya form to determine the ending. Here the ending is stressed, so we will use the ending и for the imperative. Ходи, ходите. Любить is another example. Я люблю, ты любишь. We will use the stem люб to form the imperative. However, we will look at the stressed ending in the ya form and will determine that the imperative ending will be и. Люби, любите. When it comes to reflexive verbs, you will follow exactly the same rules. Let's look at the verb учиться. Я учусь. The stem is уч and the ending is stressed. Therefore, the imperative will be formed with the ending и. Учи, and then you will end the reflexive particle, which is spelled с after a vowel. Учись. You will use this form for informal requests. For plural and formal, you will also insert the те. Учитесь. Now, the verbs вставать and давать form the imperative based on the infinitive stem. In other words, вставать will have the stem встава. Since the stem ends in a vowel, your imperative ending will be y. Вставай, вставайте. The same goes for давать. Your stem is дава, and the imperative ending is y. Давай, давайте. Now let's look at some examples. Слушать. Я слушаю. Your stem is слуша. It ends in a vowel. Therefore, add y. Слушай, слушайте. Сказать. Я скажу. The stem ends in a consonant and the ending is stressed. Therefore, the imperative will be formed with и. Скажи, скажите. The verb забыть. Я забуду. Once again, the stem ends in a consonant, but the ending is not stressed, so you will simply add the soft sign. Забудь, забудьте. And our last example, the verb познакомиться. It's a reflexive verb with a consonant mutation in the я form. Я познакомлюсь, ты познакомишься. To form the imperative, we will use the stem of the ты form, познаком. Since the ending here is not stressed in the ya form, we will add the soft sign, followed by the reflexive particle ся. Познакомься, познакомьтесь. Это все.